This is
Can you
still
turn back to boom?
part 5.
6.
6 actually. It's part
I
6.
got an electric shock.
I heard it again. It was like boo, boo. Did you hear that, guys?
No.
Rewind the video and check.
What? I didn't hear anything.
Really?
Yeah. Wait, let's see the video. Turn it again.
No, we can't. We're recording.
Just shut off it.
Don't. Why?
Turn off the video.
No, 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 no. Move. Get off me. Get off me. No.
You need to turn off it to see.
You stepped on that.
It's just.
Stop. Stop or you're kicked out of the video.
Okay.
Actually, the channel.
No, please. Leave me back.
Then stop.
Okay.
What was that?
There. Wash it. Guys, it's Sonic.
Guys, it's raining. Should we get under the trees?
Why? It's just drizzle.
Yeah, it's just a drizzle.
I feel weird tiny drops.
Yeah, only wee tiny ones. So, wait, the camera's glitching. It's glitching.
Because it's raining.
Okay, we're back.
What's that nothing?
Did you hear that?
What if they remember in God when he was standing like this? Who's God? But are you God or what? Are you blind?
So, when he's standing, what do you mean by that? So, what?
Remember when it was when God was still alive?
When you were like that? Yeah, what do you mean?
That's our video of God.
Bye, guys. Part 6 done.